Oh, hey! How's it going? I'm Eugene. I am the Vice President of Westside Boiler Invasion, and I just wanted to provide a weekly update on what's the haps going on during our busy season. So this is our OI room. This is where all the magic happens. Say hi!
Hi!
That's a cute shark. Anyway, cool things are happening here. It's magic. Cool. Super! All right. Anyway, let's go to the robot room, the shop, and see how our robot's doing. Anyway, how's the weather? It's doing pretty well. Oh, we're just gonna cut this part out probably. Hi, Python. Yeah, especially with the kids. You know, just cut this part out.
Oh, we love the kids.
All right, we're here. All right, we're here at the shop. So, yeah, this is where all the robot magic happens. Hi, Evan.
Hi, Eugene.
All right, it's very important to have your safety glasses on. So, yeah, so we are currently building our Alpha Bot right now, and this is our elevator. It is 3 stages and is taller than me in any universe. And they are so hardworking. It is great to see. It's going to be put on this robot. It's Swerve and it's beautiful. You better check us out for. Oh, thanks. But check this robot out during First in Indiana competitions. Say hi, Isaac.
Hello.
Well, enough of tech. Let's see what's happening in programming. All right, so we have a bunch of haps going on here, bunch of stuff. We have a kit bot, and we also have a test bot where we do all of our vision stuff. This is take 2, by the way. So say hi, programming team.
Hi.
They're really lame sometimes, but it's okay. We just deployed. We should probably cut this out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me replace the battery. The comment is like that.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah. Should we even do this?
What happened? The robot.
I don't know.
No robot.
I'm really bad at this. Do you want to show your auto?
Try deploying again.
So bad.
Yeah, we can show our kitbot auto, see what's happening. All right, go. Yeah.
She said, wait.
This isn't auto yet, so this is me putting it in the correct position.
Don't you just love it when
This is
columns
auto,
go
but
down?
it's not gonna work.
Gonna go on the other side. It's mainly gonna be on this side. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay, Mark. Do you have a working auto yet? That's what I thought.
Good point taken.
All right.
Ready?
Auto's ready. All right. Well, it's a work in progress. And now we have to wait until the test robot is ready. Oh my gosh, this is horrible timing, but it's okay. This is like The Office, except robotics. Anyway. Let's go to the CAD room actually, see what's happening there. Definitely more interesting than here.
Hey, that's not.
I'm kidding, of course. I'm kidding. But we are doing a lot of creationism here. Hi.
What? Oh.
We are doing a bunch of CAD, and it's very cool.
Hi.
And 3D printing.
And 3D printing, because 3D printing is super.
Super. I can do it. Hi. I may add.
You want to see a sneak peek of our robot CAD?
Oh, yeah, obviously.
Oh, yeah.
That's the pivot. Oh, sneak peek or the actual robot cat?
Well, that's a sneak peek, right?
Well, it's the entire robot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's pretty crazy. All right. Well, anyway, if someone's like actually gonna like try and, no one's crazy enough to do that. Anyway. Thank you, Cad. Bye. Oh shoot, it's okay. No, guys, close it. Okay, I'm sorry. okay.
You know what?
All right.
I saw a config for orchestra somewhere that was like
Oh wait, it worked.
Oh, it's working.
Wait. Do you want to come over here? I want to show you something. Is it still playing? Oh, it stopped playing.
it's still like I need to make it stop.
All right, well, this is the average goings on
So I need to make
in programming in robotics. All right, let's head back to the OI room and wrap it up. I got it. Where'd Chlorine go?
That's a good question.
Yeah. Well, anyway, we need the light again. Oh, it's dead? Oh,
Yeah.
it's okay.
Oh no, it's a USB-C charger. You can use one of those.
What should I say when I get there?
What's happening?
What's happening? And then, well, that's it for our monthly update. Check out our, our weekly, sorry. We should do this weekly. All right, well, that's it for our weekly update. We'll see you next week. Bye.